Why you're hiding?
Say hi, Gabo.
Why you're hiding? Ay. No. Ano ba yan? Okay. Sabihin mo, hey, hello, I'm Carlos. I'm Carlitos. Hi, I'm Carlitos. Come on, go.
Gabo, wait.
No, you.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Carlitos.
No.
Ano ba yan?
I don't like.
You have, 2 days more to stay here, you know?
No, okay, no.
Alis na kayo, di ba? You are going back to Japan soon. Di ba? Di ba?
Yes.
Yes, okay. 18, 19, 20. So, 21? Yes. This little boy is learning.
Yes.
Yeah,
No.
he's learning English.
No. Yes. Yes.
No. Oh, see? Alam na niya ang no. Ngayon, yes naman. Okay.
Say what's Gabo?
I have one more here, little girl. Hi, I'm Kelly. You talk, Kelly.
Hug, Gabo.
Just go.
Hi. Gabo, hug.
Aalis na ito sila sa 21.
Yay!
And then, going to Japan lang muna. Tapos, didiretso na kayo ng...
Mama.
Didiretso na kayo ng...
Oyo.
Kelly,
Okay, go.
where are you going after Japan?
No. Texas.
Texas. You're going home to Texas?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, you want your mama. Okay, go. Look on your mama.
Okay. Hoy! Huwag mong iwanan.
Kuya, you traumatize him.
Hey! Where's Gabo?
Oh, he's with his mom.
Okay. Give me one. Open for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ah! It's okay. Never mind.
Okay.
Maulan. Marami kaming pakwan. Meron pa ako ito tinago. Asan kayo? Ha? Okay. Wala na, matutulog na sila. Tahimik na yun dito sa bahay. Okay, dito na muna.